How to add your home address in contacts and maps on iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add or edit your home address in contacts or maps on iPhone. So if you want to set your home address for easy access in contacts and maps, we'll guide you through both methods step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the Contacts app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your name at the top. And after that, simply tap on Edit shown in the top right corner. Now once you see the interface like this, scroll down and select Add Address to enter a new address or update an existing one. Now make sure the label is set to Home, but if not, tap on the label and choose Home from the option. And once you have filled in your address details, you can simply tap Done and your home address will be saved. And now let's add your home address in the Maps app. And if you already have a home address saved or need to update it, you can simply tap Add. Otherwise, you can simply tap Home to enter a new address. Now begin typing your address and then select it from the list where it appears. And if needed, ensure the label is set to My Home. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap Done. And that's it. Your home address is now saved in both contacts and maps, making navigation even easier. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.